Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? In this time, let us see a bit about flexible multiplications. How we can do a multiplication flexibly. In the last tutorial, we all have seen that we have discussed two problems, that is number 1 and 2, and now we will see the number 3 that is related to multiplications. We will see how we answer this multiplication flexibly by changing the expression into other expressions. One of them is 130 plus 55. But why the expression can be changed like this? And one more, we can transfer 3.5 times 110 into 350 plus 35. How we can change it? Okay, let's have a look. 3.5 times 110, usually we find people will calculate like this. They put number in row and then they follow the standard procedure one by one, and then at the end they get the answer, and the decimal point is put based on the number of digits at the multiplicand or multiplier. In this case, only one digit of the decimal point, that is 5. So at the end also, at the total result 3850, and the decimal point is put between 5 and 0. So the final result is 385. This is the standard procedure by using pencil and paper. And now we are looking, as we have said before, the first we change into simple addition. 330 plus 55 and 350 plus 35. Both of these have the same result as the standard procedure, that is 385. And this is not the only alternative, but there are many other alternatives, and we just look here the two. Okay, now we will look the first alternative. The first alternative is 3.5 times 110 is 330 plus 55. We'll see why and how we can do like this. 3.5 times 110 is separated or is translated like this. 3.5 break down into 3 and 0.5. Then based on the basic concept of multiplication and its properties, we multiply 3 and 0.5 is 110, and we get 3 times 110 is 330, and 0.5 times 110 is also equal half of 110. It is 55. So we get the final result, that is 385. This is the first alternative. Let's see the second alternative. 3.5 times 110 is equal to 350 plus 35. How can we do this? In this alternative, we use commutative property. 3.5 times 110 is equal to 110 times 3.5. In this case, we separate 110, that is 100 plus 10 times 3.5. Both 110 we multiply by 3.5. And we get the result of each of it, that is 350 and 35. So we get the final results, that is 385. So by understanding the alternative way we can use to multiply two numbers, can give us a meaningful way and also save times. Thank you very much.